What's up everybody, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to refund on TikTok Shop in 2025. Bought something from TikTok Shop and it didn't meet your expectations? No worries, in this quick 2025 guide, I will walk you through step by step how to request a refund on TikTok Shop. Step 1. Open TikTok Shop orders, and once you open it, tap on your profile at the bottom right. Next, tap the three lines on the top right side, select orders. Here you will see a list of your TikTok Shop purchases. Step 2. Choose the item. Now choose the item you want to refund. Tap it to open the order details. Make sure the status is either delivered or to be shipped. TikTok allows refunds during and after delivery, but time limits apply. Step 3. Refund or return. Scroll down and tap the request refund or return button. You will be asked to select a reason like wrong item, damaged product, or change of mind. You can also upload photos or videos to support your claim, which really helps speed things up. Step 4. Submit the request. Once you have filled out everything, hit submit. Now your refund request goes to the seller. They have 48 to 72 hours to respond. If they do not reply or reject your claim unfairly, TikTok's customer service will step in. Step 5. Refund processing. If your refund is approved, the money will be sent back to your original payment method, like your credit card, wallet, or bank account, usually within 3 to 7 days of business. Important tips. You only have 7 to 15 days after delivery to request a refund, so act fast. Always document any damaged or fake items with clear photos. Check seller ratings before buying to avoid hassle in the first place. And this is an extra advice from me. Whenever you buy a product, just make someone of your relatives or someone of your friends to handle the mobile and capture a video of you doing the unboxing of the product just to confirm that you are not actually the cause of this damage to the product. You can also go check the refund policies on TikTok Shop official website. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.